Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to freeze your Roblox game. This is a super useful technique for developers who want to understand what's happening under the hood. By pausing the game, you can take a closer look at variables, properties, and the overall game state at a specific moment. It's an essential skill for debugging and refining your game's mechanics, helping you pinpoint issues with greater accuracy. The simplest way to pause your game is by using the dedicated pause button found within Roblox Studio's Test tab. When you're running a playtest, simply click this button to instantly freeze all game activity. This action allows you to examine the workspace, properties, and scripts without the game continuing to run. To unpause, just click the same button, and your game will resume exactly where it left off. Once your game is paused, you gain a powerful advantage for debugging. You can freely navigate through the Explorer window to select any object in your game world. The Properties window will then display all current values for that selected object. This allows you to check if a part's position is correct, if a script's variable holds the expected number, or if a UI element is visible, all in a frozen state. For more advanced debugging, you can set breakpoints in your scripts. When the game hits a breakpoint, it will automatically pause, similar to using the pause button. From there, you can use the debugger's step over or step into functions to execute your code line by line. This granular control lets you observe how variables change and functions are called, providing deep insight into your script's flow and logic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.